everyone, thank you for tuning in. If you've tuned in with me today, it is Tip Tuesday. So today's tip is also a beauty tip and it will be about contouring, right? So I've noticed a lot of people are interested in contouring but they're not necessarily sure how to do it. And there's also different ways to contour for different face shapes, right? So not everyone has the same face shape, and I'm just going to give you guys a few tips on how to contour, right? I've got my bronzing cream and I've got a nice angle brush, so it's kind of flat on the sides and it's a bit broader on the side and flat the side, so to get a nice shape, right? So first of all, the purpose of contouring is to accentuate certain features or to hide certain features, and you highlight other features. So for example, the cheekbones, you want to highlight your cheekbones, and so you need to put a bit of a line just under your cheekbone, right? So I know a lot of people do this, but then they put the bronzer on the cheek. You need to put it in the line that forms when you put your cheeks together, so just under your cheekbone. Okay, this is then going to give the appearance of your face being like more carved or sharp, and your features will be more sharpened, right? So just under your cheekbone, you can actually feel this is a cheekbone, right? So just underneath there, you'll put your bronzer in a bit of a curved line, right? So I'll just show you guys. So I'll just get some here, just under my cheekbone there. Okay, and just blend it in. Don't make a prominent line, you just want to blend it in, right? So I'll just add some more, right? So I've already got foundation and things on my face, guys, right? One side, I don't know if you can see the difference already, right? So I'm going to go on the other side now, just under the cheekbone, right? I'll add a bit more, and there you go. Cheeks done. So in my previous video for Tip Tuesday, guys, I've given you guys a tip with regards to the double chin. So that is my trick. I add some bronzer here as well, just to hide that double chin, and I go against my jawline to make it appear more tight, sharp as well, right? So that's done. Then with regards to your nose, I'm gonna take a flatter brush. Let me just get one, a different shape brush, like this one over here, right? So what you do, you're gonna go on the sides of your nose, right? But you're just gonna take some of the bronzing. I just need a mirror for this, so I'm gonna put it just over here. Right down. You're gonna blend it in, right? I'm not gonna leave it like that. Just blend it in. Now put some on my eye as well while I'm here. I like to use bronzer for it. Just blend it in. You don't want a prominent line also. Okay. Just a straight line. So that's going to make your nose appear more snatched as well and shapely. So I'll take some more bronzer. Right, I think I'm going to put a bit on my eye first and then go down my nose. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this in as well. Just on either side of your nose, like you can actually take it from the eye and go down the nose. I don't know if you guys can see that already there's a big difference. My nose looks more narrow, more shapely. So myself, you don't have to, depending on the shape of your nose, right? You don't have to do this, but I like to put just a little bit under my nose as well. Sort of. Okay. Then with regards to your forehead, guys, there are different size foreheads. And I've noticed a lot of people, they contour and they do like a 3. You can do that. So if you know that you have your forehead is bigger or further back, what you do then, just under your hairline, you can add a bit of bronzer as well, and that will then give the appearance of a smaller forehead So I would not advise people who have small foreheads to highlight or to contour there, because then it really gives the appearance of a small forehead. So there isn't one way of doing it. Do you understand? So depending on the shape of your face, you can't just apply. And I see a lot of people just copying other people applying the contouring. So for myself, I've just done my cheeks, right, and my nose and under my chin. And what I will do, I will take my brush, I won't add any more product, and I'll just in my hairline, right, I'll just blend a bit. And the reason why I do this is just to give my and outer ear as well the temples, because I don't like my face to be shaped like that. Okay, so I do in my hairline because I want my foundation to kind of just look more blended and more natural, but I don't contour my forehead. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the difference that has made. So I'm just going to do my hair. I'm actually getting ready to go to an event, and I need to brush these brows. So next I'm gonna add my blush. And I use the Allego. I've been using it some time now, and it's just, I enjoy it. The shade suits me nice. It's not a pink, and it's like a peachish pinky color. I can't explain it. Okay. So you add your blush on your cheek, right, to give the appearance of that you don't look so dull, right? Your contour is just under your cheek. Okay, and then, so I'm gonna take my Catrice highlighter. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and then add some highlighter over there, right, on the side. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. Stunning. Okay. And then I'll take this angled brush. I like this one just for the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, there's one done. Other side. Okay. Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm really someone who So lipstick. Final step.